What's up, Scots? It's me, Brandon from Video Crew, here with a few reminders on Google Classroom. First reminder, do not check your grades from Google Classroom. I know you see this 8 out of 8, 9 out of 9, you're like, yeah, that's pretty good. And then you look over here, 100 out of 100. Check your grades from Student View, they're more official. This is the place where teachers are actually required to submit grades, so Google Classroom, they will just be like a grade that they put in there, and eventually they'll fill out the actual grade in Student View. Second thing, the stream tab is used for reminders for actually most of the teachers. If you want classwork, you go to the classwork tab. A lot of teachers will have the classwork in the stream, but it's not for all the teachers. All teachers will have classwork in the classwork tab. Third thing, check the due date of your assignments. See, I got an assignment due today, due tomorrow, due Saturday, May 15th, June 5th. It's very inconsistent for some of these assignments, so just keep wary that not all assignments for the week are going to be due the same day. So yeah, that's about it. See you guys later.